In this episode, we will perform a first push of the changes we've made. So the ticket task has been fulfilled. So we can go to Git changes. And I want to add one more change to Git ignore. I don't have an access from this process. So yeah, we can open the. So as you can see, we don't have an access to the Git ignore because Git ignore has been placed in the root folder of the microservice. So how we can get an access to the Git ignore? You can just open the folder and then click on the root folder of the microservice. And then we should have an access to git ignore. Yeah. So we are gonna add another. Let's call it restrictions. So this will be obg slash control S. Yeah, and this is what I was expecting to have, to not add obg folder to the repository. Theoretically, we can also limit the upsettings files because upsetting files will store information about our DB connection and other things. But I'm not gonna do this. This tutorial is going the authentication of this microservice is going to be handled by Windows credentials. Basically, I'm never gonna type them to the tutorial because it's not necessary. All the connections is gonna be handled by the Windows itself. So yeah, to keep it simple, I'm not gonna add upsettings as restricted files. So yeah, we are ready to push. So how I'm gonna do this? Just type it fig1. So as you can see, at the beginning I've provided the name of the branch that's been created under Jira. This is a good practice. I've seen this in many projects I was working with, so I'm gonna do the same. And then adjust the description. So yeah, that's enough. I'm not gonna talk about this any longer because I could create a separate episode to talk how the name should look alike, but no. So yeah, we are gonna perform first push. So commit all and push. Okay. Yeah, let's check if this actually ended up on the repository. Yeah, make it a little bit smaller. Branches. Here's the branch I was working with, and as you can see, all the stuff has been pushed. And now the difficult part. As I said in one of the previous examples, if you've got access issues here, unfortunately you have to try to handle it by yourself. Try to Google it, read the documentation of bitbucket. If you still have significant issues to get a connection, just type it in the comments and we can try to help you. Probably you will have to get tokens or paired tokens, or maybe this will be handled by Windows authentication. I don't remember at this point. So as I said, I can help you later on if you will have issues that you will not be able to solve by yourself. So that's it for today's episode.